Hey, wanna make an ornament with me? If the answer is yes, let's get started. So firstly, I painted this plastic ornament with white paint, let it of course dry between each layer. Then I used this cute rice paper from ITD collection, and I took 2 images out of the rice paper with water pen. Of course, you can use scissors. There is nothing wrong with it, but I like water pen the best because it's quicker and it makes better blending later on. So I chose these 2 images and yeah, took it out. See how quick it is. Quick. And then I tear up the rice paper in few places for better placement on my ornament. If you want to make sure it is in the middle, just measure it. So, as you can see, taking off any excess of the rice paper. So now, tearing it up in few places, applied a little bit of decoupage glue onto the ball ornament itself. Then I placed the rice paper onto it, and then I glued it with more decoupage glue. Of course, by gluing, make sure there is no excess glue because that will dry out white, not clear. And if you see a wrinkle is forming or something, just cut inside the rice paper a little bit more, as I am doing here, and then it will fit nice and good on your ornament, or in this case on my ornament. So yeah, the same way I glued the other side of my ornament, and then it was of course time to paint the rest part of my ornament. For this I use white and green paint combined, and of course those are acrylic paints. And then with a dabber I applied more paint on my ornament because I was thinking it looks a little bit pale. So I applied a little bit more of green and then again a little bit more of white until I got the feeling it really fits my image. Then after everything was dry, I sealed it off with my trusted glitter decoupage glue. And then I let this one dry as well. And of course, as usual, all materials I use will be listed in the description box below. And if I cannot find the same exact thing, I will put something similar to it. So now it is time to really seal my ornament. And for this I use pouring glaze. Of course, you can use varnish. And I applied 4 or 5 layers of the glaze, let it dry between each layer, and it will give a nice shiny look to my ornament. Then it was time to decorate it a little bit more, and for this I am using some molds, air drying clay, and everything was glued on my ornament with express glue from Pentart. I think this glue is one of the best for gluing clay on my projects. So I love using it every time I am gluing something on either my ornaments, Easter eggs, or whatever. So here I am gluing some cute design on my ornament. So then I let it all dry, and clay was dry and it was time to paint it. So again, I painted it with some green shades around my ornament, and then I took any excess of the paint with wet towel before it dries out. If you enjoy this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And after everything was painted, I let it of course dry, and then I applied some more paint with some cut up kitchen sponge, as you can see here, and of course some white paint as well, so it will give it like a snowy wintry look. Then after everything was dry again, I sealed the clay part with matte varnish, and for your project you can use glossy one as well. And then I applied some snow paste on my ornament, and if you want to have more glitter, you can apply glitter on it when the paste is still wet, but technically this snow paste does have glitter in it. And then I just made some more decorations around my rice paper with a contour pen. And here it is all finished. My winter inspired ornament. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a comment or a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.